If you're just starting out on guitar and maybe you've not even touched a guitar before, please stick around. This lesson is for you. Okay, so maybe you're somebody who's just starting to play guitar and you're still not very comfortable with moving multiple fingers. So this is for you. This is a simple musical exercise that you can practice with only one finger, right? And you heard how that sounds. I'll play it slowly so you can see what I'm doing actually. Okay, so these are like one finger open string chords. When we try to figure out the name of the chords, they come out pretty complicated, so don't worry about that right now. The focus of this exercise is just to get you moving around the neck, playing something musical, getting inspired, having fun with the guitar, because this is so much fun, rather than doing boring exercises that you don't really like, or something that's not inspiring you, right? So just, yeah, so my goal is to inspire and give you something musical so you can, practice it, have fun with it, maybe even write a song with it, So that's, yeah, I think that's how music teaching should be. So breaking it down, so you can use your first finger or your second finger, whichever you like. Starting on the third string, or the D or the G string, 11th fret, and then these other two strings are open, right? So we'll just play a straight strum for now, maybe 4 beats. All right. Then we're going to the 8th fret, same thing. Then we're going to the 6th fret. We're still on the same string. We're not going to change our fingers or strings on this lesson. Then the 2nd fret, and then the 1st fret. And you can also play like a low open string. So that goes. Alright, have fun with that. Maybe move your fingers around in different positions, maybe try to come up with something new. The goal of this is always to have fun, to enjoy it, to get inspired, or maybe write a song with it, right? Don't worry too much about what strumming pattern I'm using. Come up with the strumming pattern on your own. Or maybe you can even come up with like some simple plucking. Okay, so that was your absolute beginner's lick, and if you think that might have helped you a little bit in your guitar journey, consider giving me a subscribe. It really helps out, or even leave a comment below to let me know what else I can do for you, or what else I can cover for you. Okay, thank you very much. Cheers.